位大家早，今天跟先生一起来跟他的 YouTuber 一起来爬纽泽西的其中一座山，这个比较 flat， 就是比较平坦。他的朋友们就是一起开车，那个是他的露营车，那我们的车在这里，然后我们准备要去爬一点山哦。
All right, well, good morning. We are here at the New Jersey Pine Barrens, and we are doing a section of the Batona Trail today. I think it's like a 9-mile section. I'm here with Bernie from Fire and Trails and Jaison from Too Much Gear Guy. I'll introduce you to them throughout the hike, but yeah, we're going to do about 9 miles. I have my lovely wife here with me. This is her first like real hike here in Pennsylvania, so should be fun. A little chilly out today, but I think it should be a fun day out in some beautiful woodlands. It's absolutely beautiful drive coming out here, so let's go check out the Batona Trail. Nice looking parking lot out here, pretty big. Maybe we get like a dozen or so cars in here. Right off of Route 72. You can see the beautiful woodlands here. There's Bernie signing in. We'll probably sign this in. So the whole trail is 52.7 miles. We won't be doing all that today. We'll probably just doing about 9 miles of that today. So. Following the pink blazes on the Batona Trail, and I'll show you on the trees. The trees are marked with the mileage numbers once we get there, so very easy to navigate. And it's a turn. Come up here, we're going to turn to the left off these little roads up here. Yeah, so Bernie was telling me there is a fire tower up here, which is pretty exciting. So we'll go check that out. He said it's not too far from the trailhead, so he said that'll be our first point of interest. First time in the Pine Barrens here. Beautiful area. The evergreen trees, a well-worn path, not nice and flat, so nice walking the woods. So have a good time out here with two of my favorite YouTubers. Jason directing traffic out here. Alright, these are the mileage markers I was telling you about. This is mile 51. We started at 52.1, so we are going to, I believe, 42 or 43. It's about 10 miles, so we got a little ways to go. But so that's how you can always know where you are on the trail. This is a real cool section of the trail here. is doing pretty good. She hasn't been on a long hike, so doing well, right?
Thank you very much.
It's doing okay.
Yeah.
Pretty flat. A little uphill, but not too crazy. Not too crazy.
Yes.
All right. You can see Bernie and Jaison in the distance there. We are about 1.5 miles from the fire tower. This is called the Lebanon fire tower. I believe it is open, so we should be able to go up to the top of that. It's one of the few in New Jersey that's still open to visit. So we're going to stop there, have lunch, take a nice long break, and then finish the hike strongly, which my wife will enjoy the break when it comes, right?
Yeah, a little exhausted.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching Ronald's channel.
Yes, and for supporting us on a journey. So,
Yeah.
But yeah, the trail is flat, so there's a little elevation, but nothing too terrible. And most of the trail is flat. This is what most of the trail is like. Very, very wide, very easy to walk on. So, for a beginner hiker, it's a pretty good trail, and it's a beautiful location here in the Pine Barrens. Alright, there the guys, Bernie and Jaison. We made it to the Lebanon fire tower. Nice little location here. This awesome pine woods. This is the Lebanon fire tower behind me. I'm going to climb up this. This is one of the ones that you can't climb here, so we'll see. We should get a decent view up there of the surrounding area. So yeah, look at that, all the way up there. There's Ruth down there waving. Long way up. Alright, we're going to continue up. Alright, reached the top. Cannot go up anymore. This is locked. You can see a little bit out this way. Alright, say hi to Ruth. And Jaison are down there. Neither one of them want to come up. Bernie's on his way up too, but it's a long way down. Alright, the view from the top of the Lebanon fire tower. I'm not sure how tall it is. I'll put the footage down below, but it's an okay view. Definitely seen better, but it was cool coming up there. So, alright, I'm gonna head back down. I think Bernie wants to come up and take some pictures. So, anyway, the Lebanon fire tower. Hey, Bernie still up. You can see the orange shirt up there. That's Bernie up there, still up there taking pictures. Gonna make his way down shortly. We're having a lunch. So she is having a, what is it? This is an apple fritter from Wawa. I got myself a nice muffin, shorty hoagie, and then a protein bar, and then a can from a grocery. So we're gonna have a nice lunch here before we head out on the trail, get rested, get fueled, and ready for the last, I don't know, 4 or 5 miles. So. But thanks for coming along on this adventure. Alright, we are back on the trail, finished lunch, had a really great lunch. And then I can see Bernie and Jaison there. And of course my lovely Ruth back here. So, alright, we're going to continue on. We have about 3.5 miles left till the parking lot. So we are past the halfway points, which is good. So, alright, continuing on. Man, I can never get enough of these forests. Look how beautiful these pine forests are. You see Jaison and Bernie up there. My wife and I are in the back just because she's not used to hiking this length, so. She's doing well, just the pace is not as fast as them, which is fine. So we just hang out here in the back, talking, and then we catch up with them. So, but it's been a great day. We spent a lot of time at the fire tower, checking that out. Had a nice lunch, and now we're on our way back. So, all right, so yeah, the New Jersey Pine Barrens, very beautiful. I love this forest, man. Love it. Very peaceful out here. I think we came across one group today, but for the most part, it's just been the 4 of us, which is really nice. So, all right. I don't know if there's anything else of interest I will show to you, but we'll see you on down the trail a little bit. So my wife commented on this white trail. This is not snow. This is sand. That's sand we've been walking on, because we are close to the beaches. But yep, all the way you see that that is not snow. That is sand. And it's very nice. It's very comfortable. Easy on the feet. Not like rocky Pennsylvania. So this has been my first hike where we use two-way radio. So Jaison brought these two-way radios we can communicate. So because we've been pretty spread out today, we've been talking back and forth, just communicating. So it makes it a little easier logistically, and also to just make sure everyone's doing okay. We're doing fine. We're just enjoying it a little bit more. How's that? So, but yeah, I'll show you. It's so the range of length is, he said it was 30 miles if it's clear, but on terrain like this, maybe about 5 miles. So as long as we still hear each other, we can go up to 5 miles without with being in communication. So it actually might something I might consider if I hike again with somebody, to bring two-way radios. We made it back to the lake. Pack some lake. Take it down here real quick. Partially frozen over. Not completely. You can see there's a little ice on there. It's a beautiful lake. Alright, so there's a good look inside Bernie's bus here. He's giving us a ride back to our car. But Bernie has a checked out bus, nice little bed, TV here. I guess this is an old school bus that he repurposed. Got the seatbelt on, right honey? I guess he's adding some oil, but yeah, pretty neat. Pretty neat. Nice place to travel the road in here. National Parks in the United States. Yeah, sweet little setup in here. Bed, couple beds, storage. Yeah, nice little vehicle here. Let's look at the outside Bernie's van. Say goodbye to him. Thanks for the invite. Just in time the sun going down. Yeah, man, it was a great hike. Had fun with Bernie and Jaison. My wife, she did awesome for her first hike, right?
Yeah.
You made it. So.
Exhausting.
Yeah. So it's. I'll leave the link to the channels down below. That's Bernie with Fire and Trails and Jaison with @TooMuchGearGuy. I'll leave the links down below. Please follow them. Give them a like and subscribe. And thanks for coming along, and we'll see you on the trails. Bye-bye from the beautiful New Jersey Pinelands. Bye-bye.